Aloe vera on oiled hair. Does it make hair greasy?
Hello, hair care enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to dive into an interesting topic, the effect of applying aloe vera on oiled hair. Many of us wonder if this combination will make our hair greasy. Let's find out.
What is aloe vera?
Aloe vera is a succulent plant species known for its plethora of health and beauty benefits. The gel inside the aloe vera leaf is a power-packed natural ingredient used in many hair and skincare products. It's known for its soothing, moisturizing, and anti-inflammatory properties.
What does aloe vera do to your hair?
When it comes to hair, aloe vera offers a lot of advantages. It can help promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and provide deep conditioning. It's hydrating but not oily, and this moisture helps combat dry hair and scalp without leaving a greasy residue.
Can applying aloe vera on oiled hair make it greasy?
So, the central question is, does applying aloe vera on oiled hair make it greasy? The answer is generally, no. Aloe vera itself doesn't add oiliness to your hair. Instead, it adds hydration, which is beneficial even for oily hair. However, the oiliness of your hair after application largely depends on the type and quantity of oil you've used before applying aloe vera. If you have applied a heavy, non-absorbing oil excessively, your hair might feel greasy due to the oil, not the aloe vera. In contrast, using a light, absorbable oil in moderate quantity will not leave your hair feeling greasy, even with the addition of aloe vera.
How should I use aloe vera on oiled hair?
If you're looking to use aloe vera on oiled hair, here's a simple guide. First, apply a moderate amount of your chosen oil to your hair. Massage it in well. Then, apply aloe vera gel, either pure or mixed with other beneficial ingredients like honey or lemon juice. A key point here is moderation. Too much of any product can leave your hair feeling heavy and potentially greasy. To wrap up, aloe vera is a fantastic ingredient to use in your hair care routine. It doesn't make your hair greasy, even when applied on oiled hair. The key is to use the right kind and amount of oil and aloe vera for your specific hair type. Now go forth and enjoy the natural benefits of aloe vera on your locks.